Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Goose Craftology. Till date, I have been posting videos of different craft products made by me. But today's video is something different. It's a craft haul video. It is all about the craft supplies I have recently purchased. All the craft supplies mentioned here are from the Paper Magic Supplies, which is a page on Instagram handled by Aarti Rathi. I must say, she is a very genuine person. She was the first one who helped me when I started my page, and from that time, I've been purchasing all my supplies from her only. She has an amazing collection, I must say. The best and the toughest part about her is the packing strategy which she uses to pack the orders. As you can see, how well the packaging has been done in order to safeguard her supplies, but it definitely takes a lot of time to open it. It's almost done. Yeah, so finally it's open. Still some traces left. Firstly, I'll arrange all the things and then I'll show you everything one by one at a time. During the pandemic time, the parcel arrives a bit late than usual, but when it arrives, it's like the best time of the day. Most of the crafters like me can never be satisfied with the supplies they have. The day it arrives, the second you're like, no, I have to order more. Okay, so all arranged. Let's get started. The first one here is a 12 by 12 inch paper pack. This one is a Craftastic brand. The name is Happy Petals. It's floral theme, as you can see. Pretty designs. It has total of 24 sheets with 12 different designs, and each design has 2 sheets per design. Look at the vibrant colors. This one's my favorite. I like red more. The quality of these papers are just the best. These are 220 GSM matte sheets. So brightly colored, all of them. So this one's done. This was Happy Petals paper bag by Craftastic. Time for the next one. The next one is also from Craftastic. This is also 12 by 12 inch paper pack. This one is Soulmate. It's more of the designs are in red, white and black colors. As you can see, these bright colors are just so beautiful. This pack has total of 20 sheets of 18 designs, 18 designer sheets and 2 element sheets. Like you have 9 designs and each design has 2 sheets, so total of 18 designer sheets and 2 element sheets that are arranged at the last. This one's cute. That was one set, and this is the second set of another 9 designs. These papers are of 250 GSM matte and they are just superb. So here are the element sheets. We've got 2 different element sheets here. One is this, another one is here. So both of these. These both done. Now it's time for 6x6 inch paper packs. This one is from Pearl Collection. The name is Heartilicious. This one's also in white and red theme, love theme you can say. It has a total of 20 sheets with 10 designs and 2 pages per design. All different and beautiful designs. This one is also of 250 GSM. The quality of these paper packs is just superb. So this one was from Pearl Collection. Time for the next one. This one's my latest favorite, I must say. This is Craftastic foiled paper packs. This is their newly launched one. I've got 6x6 inch paper pack. This one also has 20 designs. These are foiled ones, as you can see. They shine when you flip them in the light. They have shiny structures, like you have foil shining, no? Same. You can see the shine. I'm just in love with these. These are so pretty. This one also has 20 sheets of 10 design, 2 sheets. So this one was sterling silver from Craftastic. The next I've got 2 mirror cardstock. This one is silver, this is rose gold. Both are 6x6 inch. Here are some tack sheets, element sheets. As you can see, this one is 6x6 inch size. The quality is just awesome. This one is a word tack sheet. Different words you can use, cut and use. The same one. This is in black and white theme. a general tat sheet, but it's very pretty. This one's specially for friends, as you can see. I just love this one. These are OHP sheets. As you can see, they are transparent. They can be used in shakers or to make transparent pockets in different scrapbooks, explosion boxes, etc. These are 10 in number. These are paper threads, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total of 12 different designs mixed with white. These are paper threads. Here are some ribbons. I've got 4. One is white, this is baby pink, this one's maroon, and here's green. 4 different colors. These are paper doilies, round white paper doilies. These are 5.5 inches. As you can see, they are so beautiful. You can use them as backgrounds. This is the tacky tape. This is 12 mm in size. It's the best for sticking papers and pictures. Here's my favorite thing, shakers from Dress My Craft, DMC brand. This one is the white pearl beads. You can use them as shakers. You can see how tiny, pretty cute these are. Next one, this one is also from Dress My Craft. These are heart shakers. You can see they're so pretty, from Dress My Craft. So these both, it's done. Meet you in the next video.